Okay, now the lower part of the arm. So yeah, we need to put the hand first. I think that's what I did on the other part. This is kind of hard. It works before. See, that's my other problem. What if the polycap pegs are bigger than the peg holes in the plastic? The always hard part is pushing it down. There. 2 more steps. And I just realized that my panel lines are smearing. The marker I use is not that good. Another cool idea is maybe I can build this inside a bottle. Okay, I need to press this one more time. There we go. Comes the crucial part. I need to pin this down right here. It's kind of weird. It worked for the other one, but not here. So I just have to push it the right way. Come on. Alright, pause. Okay, I'm running out of memory. Gotta do this. 2 minutes. See, I'm not getting enough grip on that. Can't really hold on to plastic. Okay, maybe if I wedge it there. There. Okay, got it in. Nope, still no luck. Okay. Time to wedge it with this one again. Okay. Push this down slowly. Yep, push it in. There we go. Complete. Got 2 arms. And we'll move to making the torso. Or actually the waist.